Hello dear friends, here with me Mr. Sumit Parate, who has completed a MEP designing and drafting course. It's around a 6-month duration. In this overall period, so how you felt about our parametric solution? So can you share something about how was the training went for you about this MEP designing?
Yes. I came here in the month of January and I met Mr. Santosh sir regarding the MEP course. I was nervous about firefighting, mostly electrical course, but he taught me very well, and the entire course, going through the entire course, I felt excellent. He taught me very well, and all my doubts were clear by him. And he is a very friendly guy, and lots of my doubts got clear.
What type of teaching method he covered, and what are the software we used in MEP designing? Can you say something about?
He shared with me the ducting design, then the electrical load calculations, DG calculations, and he shared some of his experiences on site also. So it was entirely a very good course I done here, and I say thanks to Mr. Naik sir also for guiding me whenever I required his help.
Yeah. And what in this MEP design site visit also we went. So did you came and visited the site visit?
No, I was not able to do that because I am a working professional.
So in this course, we take students for a practical approach to the site with like HVAC, duct designing, chiller, cooling tower, such places, and we took students. So that opportunity, he has some prior in his company, so he did not attend. So well, okay. So thank you so much for getting the exposure of designing course at Parametric Solutions. Thank you for joining with us.
It was pleasure.
So, yeah, and so you completed the MEP course, and then you completely attended all the sessions
right,
except this site visit. And today we are issuing a certificate for completing this test and examinations, and you passed with good A+ grade also. So, and this is certificate for you. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you once again, and congratulations, and a very bright future for your career.
Thank you, sir.